Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to check out my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to go about doing the Apres Gel X or the 123 Nail Couture Gel nails the cheap way. This is the dupe, and most of the products I have here are very reasonable priced. You do not have to go out and buy the Nail Couture tips. You do not have to go out and buy the Apres tips. I'm going to show you how to do it right here on my channel. First thing you're going to need is tips. So I went to Amazon a while back and I ordered the McCart coffin tips. These are very cheap. You don't have to get the McCart. You can get the EC basket, I think it is, or EK basket, something like that. I'll link a few of them down below. And I believe you could probably even get them from ALIEXPRESS, the coffin shape, or the stilettos, whatever shape you want, as long as they're full and they're clear. Now, I think you can probably use or get away with doing the natural color as well, but to be on the safe side, if you're a beginner, go with the clear. I already have them buffed on the underside, as you can see here. This is where your natural nail plate is going to go. Also, you want to buff and prep your own nails. These have already been prepped. These have already been buffed. The surface shine has been buffed. The cuticles pushed back. All that good stuff. Okay. You're also going to need a primer and a dehydrator. Well, you can make a dehydrator. Very, very easy. Here is my gel cleanser. Okay. What I have in here is 50% isopropyl alcohol, which you can buy at Walmart for just a couple dollars, and then 50% acetone. Again, just a couple dollars at Walmart, 50-50. Mix them in a little pot like this, or mix them in a little dispenser like this, and you have your dehydrator. Another thing you're going to need is a brush. You can use a cheap brush off of eBay, you can use a cheap brush off AliExpress, whatever the case may be. Here is a little cheap brush from AliExpress. You can use glitter, polish, whatever. In this case, we're going to be using glitter, and I am using Creative Claws Rose Gold Hollow because it was requested to do rose gold nails. And then I've also got these beautiful little mermaid scales from AliExpress. I think it was a couple cents for these. Very cheap. Also, you will need a gel to adhere your nails with. This is going to be your base gel, and it's going to be the the gel to adhere the nails. And all this is, guys, is a gem gel from AliExpress. I've used this in the past. If you go check out my Apres Gel X playlist, I have tons of videos on there. I have soak off videos on there. This is only a couple bucks. Cheap way to go, okay? You're also going to need a bonder. Now, the bonder I'm just going to use in the video is going to be the protein bond. Now, this one is a little more pricey. You can find protein bonds a lot cheaper than protein bond. This is by Young Nails. This is the one I like to use. Right, and I think I've covered everything. This is the cheap way. This is the dupe way, and you can accomplish the same amazing looks doing it this way. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and prep these nails first. Meaning I'm going to add the glitters and things to these nails before we put them on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the nail upside down. I'm going to take some of this gem gel. You don't need a lot. You're going to place it right into that tip, just like I did right there. Alright, so rub the gem gel on the inside of this nail. Okay. And then using the brush, you can take your glitter and you can start applying it in the nail. Okay, so here is our glitter, and we're going to do this to every single nail. I'm going to be flash curing this because we don't need to cure it for long. So I'm going to flash cure that inside there. And this tip is going to be pre-made with glitter. Okay. So it's flash cured and it's ready. I'm going to set it down. I'm going to grab some clear. Again, you don't need a lot. Make sure you've covered the side walls. Everything looks good. Start applying the glitter. You can even flip it over to see if that's how you like it. In this case, I'm not doing it until the end. Go ahead and flash cure it. Now your tips are ready to be applied to your natural nail. I'm going to take my gel cleanser. I'm just going to be using this brush just to show you how I do it. I'm going to pull the gel cleanser up into this disc. Okay, this is your dehydrator. Okay, go ahead and put a layer of it on the nails. This is going to dehydrate your nails. This is just like any dehydrator. You're going to take your protein bond, which is your primer. You're going to put the primer right over the top of that. After that's dry, you're going to go ahead now and put on a base coat. And you can use the gem gel as your base. Go from cuticle to free edge with it. You're going to go ahead and pop that into your lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, once your base layer is cured, you're going to start applying the tips. So we're going to do our first tip. I'm going to take the gem gel. I'm going to get a big dollop of it. And I'm going to set it right down into that cuticle. I'm going to go side to side. I'm going to have my lamp ready, but what you're going to do is you're going to flip it. You're going to go at a 45-degree angle into the cuticle and then press down. Make sure all the air bubbles are out of the nail. Watch, you can see the gel go from your cuticle to your free edge. Once you get to your free edge, you're going to cure that. Are you ready? And cure. Lay it right in there by the cuticle. Right at your cuticle. Pressing all the air bubbles out. All the way to the free edge. And cure. And go down. Press, 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 press. Till you get your free edge. And cure. Alright, so now after you've cured them, filed, shaped, buffed them, I do have some rainbow crystal rhinestones here. And I've got some kind of rose gold studs or alloys, whatever you want to call them. So we're just going to try and make them look cute. Now again, you're going to use a no wipe top coat. It can be a cheaper no wipe top coat. So we're going to use the Guerjon no wipe top coat. If you want your stones to stay, ooh, look at that. You're gonna have to put down a thicker based gel. I would suggest using your gem gel. Put that on first and then lay a coat of your top coat on it, then put your gems on it. But in just this case, since we're doing the video, I'm just going to be using the top coat to adhere the gems. And I'm going to flash cure them as we go. So on this nail, I am going to put a little star right there. Guys, got one little star there. We're going to put a gem right there and one right there in between that little star. And I'm going to flash cure it. You can also turn these nails over and encapsulate those glitters with a no-wipe top coat. And I do suggest you do that. Alright, with this one, I'm going to put a gold circle, or I don't know what it is. Looks like a gold coin. And then I'm going to put some little rhinestones next to it. Like so. Flash cure that. Top coat. I don't think I'm going to use any of those this time. We're going to grab a big rhinestone. And small. A little bit smaller. A little bit smaller. And teeny tiny. Okay. Flash cure it. I'm just going to put a gold coin, I'm going to call it. And one little rhinestone. So very simple but elegant. Here are the finished nails. And the cheap way to get the Apres or the 1, 2, 3 gel nails. So I'm going to go ahead and fully cure those for 60 seconds. Alright, that, my friends, is the complete dupe or cheap way of doing those nails. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope you watch step by step on how to do it. It's really not that hard. I am in love with this system, and what makes it even better is you don't have to buy the expensive stuff to do it. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget also to click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload. And you might be one of the first 3 to get to my channel and comment and get a shout out. Now, I won't be posting shout outs in every single video, but I'm going to go ahead and post the shout outs from my last video right now. Thank you so much, ladies. I so appreciate it. It means a lot to me that you guys are taking the time to get to my videos really fast. It means the world to me. Alright guys, with that said, I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.